What's the meaning of berm? Berm. Berm.
Berm. Berm. The term berm refers to a raised strip of land that is typically located near or around the edge of a body of water, such as a lake, river, or ocean. Berms are often created for a variety of reasons, including erosion control, flood protection, and landscaping purposes. They are also commonly used in construction projects to prevent damage to nearby structures and infrastructure. Berms can vary in size and shape, from small mounds to large hills. They can be made from a variety of materials, including soil, sand, gravel, and rock. In general, berms serve as a simple but effective solution for managing the impact of water on land.